Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this session I am going to tell you about the free Python certification course which is provided by the Intellipath. So if you are a complete beginner or you want to learn the skills of a Python, then this course is for you. You can just go ahead and enroll to the Intellipath website and get a certification for the Python. So let's get started on how we can get a certified using a Python course. On a screen you can see I have opened a Intellipath website and we have a free Python certification course online. Learn Python quickly with this self-paced course. So this course is a self-paced. You can enroll for this course for free and it is around 12 hours of learning. It also includes quizzes and assignments and you will have a lifetime access to this course. Once you enroll, you can also get the certificate. Now, what about this course? Python certification training course online will help you master the concept and gain in-depth experience on writing Python code and packages like SciPy, Matplotlib, NumPy, Lambda functions. If I go down, what skills you will learn in this course? Python variable, Python operators, Python tokens, Python literals, classes and objects, Lambda functions, file handling and data visualization. Let's check what is a course curriculum of this Python course. First, you will have an introduction and installation of a Python. So you will be able to understand how we can install a Python in our local system. Then in that, we have some basic Python concepts like variables, tokens, literals, and operators, which are necessary for starting a Python code. Then we have an introduction to Lambda functions. After that, classes and objects, introduction to the classes and objects in Python. Then we have a NumPy library. So NumPy is a library which is used for mathematical computing, and we have an introduction to NumPy in this course. Then we have a file handling like input file, output file, how we can write into the file and how we can read into the file. And then we have a data visualization. So data visualization is basically used for the data scientist, and you can also try to learn the data visualization. If I go down, you can see this is a sample certificate. So if I click to zoom, you will get a Intellipath academic certificate of a completion. Here your name will be there and this course is a shareable on a LinkedIn. If I go down, what are some frequently asked questions? Why you should sign for a Python course? Python is a popular and widely used programming language today. So it's just a frequently asked question. Are there any prerequisite to take up this free online course on Python? So if you are a complete beginner and don't know anything about Python, then also you can start with this Python course because there is no prerequisite for this. Who should sign up for this Python course? Anyone who is interested in learning Python programming can do this by course. So if you want to start a Python learning, if you are a beginner or you just want a certificate for your resume, then you can just go ahead and do this course. And once you do the course, you will get a certificate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.